Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger. Today we will learn how to change language on Signal app. Let me show you how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. Press on three dot which shown on top right. Click on Setting. Press on Appearance. Click on Language. Here is the language which you can choose one of them. Let's try, for example, Italiano. You will find that setting already changed to Italian language. Let's go back to English. Press on Italiano. Scroll up till we get English. Now it's changed to English. That's all. If this is your first time you're watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment. We will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.